Welcome to the 21st video of fundamentals of HTML tutorial for beginners, and today we are going to be talking about the video element. So in the previous video we talked about the audio element. So the video element is similar to the audio element, so you can specify the audio source, that is the URL, using an attribute in the video element, or we can be using the same source element inside the video element. So let's get to it, and it's almost the same as the audio element. So we just put video and we put controls and we close this, and we also put the source. Where's the video coming from? Equal to test.mp4. so it should be like you should put the video in the same folder as your index file in order to have easy access to it. So we close this. It should also have a closing tag, and we put video, and let's just put the same text that we put before, video, and let's run this with Chrome. So we have the video right here, and let's play it. Hello everyone, this is a test video from addictedtocoding.com. So this is a test video from addictedtocoding.com. You heard it right. So before we go to the attributes of the video tag, I want to talk about the resizing of video for your web page. So assuming like you want to add a 4K video or a 2K video or a 1080 or 1920 video to your web page, and maybe when you put it and you load it, like the video is just boom too large for your web page. So how do you do that? You're gonna add the resizing feature. So we have the width equal to, so let's say 4, or let's say 640. That is the normal video attribute, and we put the height to 360, height equal to 360. So this is the standard format for a video, for our video size. So we save this and refresh our browser, so we can see that our video has been resized, so more like YouTube video resizement. So this is how to add the resize attribute to our video. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is the attribute of the video. So another aspect shared by both the audio and video elements is that it has the controls, the autoplay and the loop attributes. So in this example, the video will replay after it finishes playing. So the example I'm going to show you right now, so we just add the loop, LOOP rather. So if we save this and refresh our browser, alright, let's get this to refresh, and let's play this. Hello everyone, this is a test video from addictedtocoding.com. Hello everyone, this is a test video from addictedtocoding.com. Hello everyone, this is a test. So we can see that the video rather is just repeating itself. So that's the power of loop attribute. So we can also add the autoplay attribute. The other attribute that we're going to add, we won't add it right now, so we're going to talk about it in the next or couple of videos to come. So I want you guys to save all this source code that you have right now, because we'll be using it later when we are talking about the drag and drop attribute. So I want you guys to keep this in place, so don't delete it or you will have problem in following through with that tutorial. So that will do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.